Alright, how's it going? I'm going to make this real quick. We're going to do a quick test here on System Test 5 for my EST6601. So we'll go through the devices real quick and then I will do some testing. So, first off, we've got an Edwards 270 SPO here. The 70s version I like to call it because you'd see it around the 70s a lot. My panel there, and you got some of my rare 270s on display there now. The heat detectors, so you kind of saw a glimpse of what's up there. So I'm basically recreating a 70s system. You've got an Edwards 241 heat detector here, an old style one. These were pretty common between the 50s and the 70s. And then its successor, the 241A, around the 70s to the 80s, and then you'd see those white ones all around. And then obviously you saw this one. I've got an Edwards 885D, I believe. As you can see, there is no label, so I'm just assuming. It is 24 volts. And then next to it, I've got this light. So this is what you'd see commonly in a lot of like older apartment buildings and all that, or older buildings where you have them above the pole stations, and I think they like go off when the pole station goes off. But I've basically put a 24 volt bulb in there, so now it flashes with the horn strobe, or the horn. So without further ado, because I don't have that much space on this camera here, let's get the testing going. So let's pull this pole station. Let that down. So we silence it first so I can reset it, because if you just reset it like a lot of apartment managers do, you just end up resetting the panel. This goes back into alarm. So you gotta silence first, make sure everything's reset, and then you can press reset and then it clears. So there's that. Alright, so next, heat detectors. Don't do this at home or don't do this in the field because this is not really allowed. I'm just doing it because who cares? I just don't want to pop this either. So I just silenced it. Make sure it cools down, because the thing about heat detectors, if you reset it too fast, it's just gonna go off an alarm again, because the heat detectors need time to reset. So press the reset button, everything turns off, goes on, should clear. Good. One more. And I've got like less than a minute here. Oh, you don't want to work now? Well, okay, well, in this case, again, don't try this at home. Silence. Horn. Sorry about the camera work there for a sec. And then reset. Oh, press the wrong button there. There we go. Reset. And there you have it. Thank you all so much. That was System Test 5. Little rush there, but I got it done. So again, thank you so much, and stay tuned for what I'll put on this system next.